faktor penyebab turunnya penjualan di pasar Tanah Abang yaitu platform belanja online yang menjadi alternatif berbisnis. Kian berkembang pesat di Indonesia dan itu yang dapat menjadi ancaman perkembangan bisnis di toko offline.
Food transaction methods are developed rapidly due to technological development. One of them is selling food online through an Android application. Many applications and platforms have provided buying and selling food delivery service. These facilities certainly bring convenience and practicality to consumers, causing people tend to buy their food online. This is proven by a survey we conducted regarding people's consuming habits. The types of food sold through the application vary, but are dominated by fast food restaurants and food entrepreneurs who already have their own kiosks.
Then, what happened to the peddlers? Based on a survey that we have conducted on peddlers in Semarang, the income of peddlers has decreased by 70% due to the impact of online food application. On the other hand, consumers also have complaints about online food applications regarding price differences between the stores and applications and also the shipping costs.
Coming from the existing problems, we designed the Neither application as a solution. Hi everyone, I am Alyaa Dhifa, Putri Pramono,
And I am Fayyaza Puan Manayra.
We are from SMAN 3 Semarang. We proudly present our research with the title Neither, Online Tracking and Transaction for Peddlers based on Android.
The Neither application is a food transaction application for peddlers. We raised this research with the aim as follows. The benefits we expect from this research are as follows. Here are the basic theories of this research. The research method used in this study is the research and development method. To test the effectiveness of the application, we use quantitative approach through surveys and evaluation. This research was conducted from April to October 2022, while the survey of application users was conducted for 2 weeks in August 2022 in Semarang. Based on the analysis of problems and users' needs, the Neither application design obtained as follows. The Neither application was made with Android Studio and the Java programming language. In addition, other tools and materials are used in the study as follows. To determine the application's effectiveness, we use a research method that adapts the ISO 25010 research method. It is divided into 3 tests. First, functional suitability testing using black box. Second, usability testing, which is divided into 2 parts, testing the effectiveness using SUS and USE questionnaires, as well as testing the satisfaction aspect using the Likert scale. And the last one is the performance efficiency testing, which consists of manual testings regarding the response time. In this study, a SWOT analysis was also carried out to evaluate the Neither application. Here are some parts of the Neither application source code.
Here is the main activity page, where 2 buttons will lead to the different page depending on the user's role as a peddler or buyer. From the buyer's point of view, after pressing the buyer button on the main activity, the application will display maps with several nearby peddlers points and a list of peddlers registered in the application. Buyers can make calls to peddlers by filling in their name first, and then pressing one of the peddler's points or one of the peddler's name on the list, and the peddler will get a notification about the call. Furthermore, from the peddler's point of view, after pressing the peddler's button, the application will display maps. It also displays the name and item name columns. Later, if the peddlers press the save button, these 2 data will appear in the peddler's list on the buyer's page. Peddler will get notification if there is a buyer's call and can confirm whether they want to receive calls or not.
In the next stage, the application is tested using several aspects of testings. The first one, to test the functional suitability of the Neither application, testing is carried out using black box analysis as follows. In the black box testing analysis results, it was found that the entire application was running correctly and according to the expected reality. With these results, the Neither application can operate adequately. Testing was carried out with SUS and USE questionnaires to test the usability of Neither application in terms of effectiveness. With total 30 respondents for SUS and 20 respondents for USE questionnaires, based on the results of the data and SUS analysis calculation that have been carried out, the average score for SUS obtained is 79.41. Based on the SUS analysis standard assessment, the score of Neither application is B in the good category, meaning that the Neither application runs quite effectively. Meanwhile, the data processing results from the ISPO questionnaires in the table are as follows. With this data, the NEETher application achieved a very good category based on the standard eligibility value. To test the NEETher application user satisfaction scale, a Likert scale test was carried out for players and peddlers with the list question as follows. Overall, the peddler satisfaction level with the NEETher application is 80.13% based on a Likert scale conducted on 15 peddlers. This percentage is included in the very satisfied category, meaning that the NEETher application has met the peddler satisfaction as application users. On the player side, the satisfaction level of NEETher application is 80% based on a Likert survey that has been conducted on 20 players. This percentage is in the very satisfied category, meaning that the NEETher application has succeeded in fulfilling consumer satisfaction as an application user. The NEETher application has also proven to be successful in increasing peddler income per day, as seen from the graph based on the research. And the last one, to test the performance efficiency of the NEETher application, a response time test is carried out as follows. Here are the strength, weakness, opportunity, threat aspects.
Based on the research results obtained by the researchers, it can be concluded that first, the NEETher application has been completed and successfully designed as a buying and selling application for peddlers, where application users as consumers can monitor the location of peddlers around them and make calls or orders. This application is designed using Android Studio and the Java programming language. The second one, the NEETher application has been designed as well as possible, so that it can be used by traders and general users as a provider of online buying and selling styles, specifically for peddlers. Based on black box testing, the NEETher application is running correctly and can operate properly.
Third one, the effectiveness of the NEETher application was tested using the SUS survey, which obtained an average score of 79.41, which means that the NEETher application runs quite effectively. The NEETher application also successfully met user satisfaction based on testing via a Likert scale with a score of 80.13% or very satisfied for traders and 80% very satisfied for buyers.
Meanwhile, the NEETher application won the very eligible category based on the results of the ISPO questionnaires, with a usefulness value of 90.60%, ease of use of 89%, ease of learning of 87.50%, and satisfaction of 92.20%.
That's all from us. Thank you.
NEETher already registered in Kemenhumham for the copyright.